Hi, I'm Karla Welch, and I'm here with my very good friend and client, Busy Phillips.
Hi.
And she is kind of the queen of crafting.
Yeah, do you like my custom jacket?
She took 3 years and bedazzled this jacket. Because Busy is so good at bedazzling, that's what we're gonna do today.
Okay.
We have our
hot plate.
And we have our crystals, and we have a mix. We have crystals you can get at any craft store like a
Michael's.
Or we have some beautiful Swarovski ones because I stole some stuff from Ariane and she left her toolkit here. So like that's legendary. So we got our 501s, and essentially all you need to do is what, Busy?
The big ones are you need epoxy for.
This is so smelly and gross, but it works amazing, you guys.
But what a lot of people don't know is the little rhinestones have glue on the back of them already, so if you heat them up on a little hot plate like we did, it's here, there.
Yay!
Yeah, we got them.
And you can also go into Levi stores. They have a tailor shop, and do you know they'll do anything to your jeans?
Anything you want.
Within reason.
One of my earliest memories is my aunt trying to get her Levi's zipped up. She had to lay on the bed, and my mom took off pliers and pulled them up for her.
I have something for you.
What do you have for me?
So if you guys don't know this, you should follow Busy around Christmas time because she has these elves that show up. I'm sure everybody watching knows what elf on a shelf is.
Yes.
So we made something for one of your elves. It's in my little Ariane
A gift
toolbox.
for the elves?
What? They're
Oh my God! A little Levi's elf jean jacket.
The joy about Levi's and do it yourself. It's like, just do whatever you want. I remember like sitting in class and drawing all over my jeans, and that kind of made them super awesome.
I used to do that all the time.
I love Busy in the heart.
Busy Welch.
Aw. Okay, so we're gonna finish this up and then we're gonna show you the finished product.
Yeah.
Well, Busy.
Yes, Karla.
Thank you so much for helping everyone today learn how to bedazzle.
You're so welcome.
I think if you guys do it, we want you to tag us.
For sure. Well, we want to see your creations.
Yeah, at Busy Phillips.
At Busy Phillips on Insta.
At Karla Welch Stylist, and we really believe that Insta friends are real friends.
Yeah. Internet friends are real friends, guys.
And so just like on Martha Stewart, when the turkey comes out of the oven, here are our bedazzled jeans.
What? We did such a good job.
We did an amazing job. Thanks, Busy.
I love you, Karla. I'm gonna take these home now.
Bye.